Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Now today we'll start relation and functions. Okay, in that relation and function, I will take today ordered pair. First, we define ordered pair. See, ordered pair definition is two elements or objects or numbers A and B listed in a specific order. Okay, and enclosed in parenthesis. This is called parenthesis. This bracket we call it as parenthesis. Form an ordered pair A, B. Okay. For example, if I consider 1, 2 numbers and it is enclosed by parenthesis, and this is we define order pair 1, 2. Similarly, 3, 2, you can represent ordered pair 3, 2. 5, 6, here ordered pair or 5, 6. And in ordered pair, remember that this is we call it as first element. Okay. Next, this one we call it as second element. Okay. Remember that. This is called first element, this is second element. Okay. Next, by knowing this definition, now in geometry we define the ordered pair, and already we know that in analytical geometry we define ordered pair of every number can be represented by an ordered pair of real number in Cartesian coordinate system. We can say that x0, x dash, y0, y dash. See, I will take 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we will take the ordered pair of 1, 2. Here. This is a point where along x-axis it takes 1, y-axis 2, because in analytical geometry we define Cartesian coordinate system can be represented by an ordered pair of real number x, y. Here the value of x is what? 1, y is what? 2. Therefore it can be represented what? 1, 2. For example, another one I will take 2. This is the same 2. Here this is along x-axis I will consider 2. Okay, and y-axis I will consider 1. X-axis we consider 2, y-axis we consider 1. What it is? X, y is 2, 1. And just concentrate. Earlier I consider it is 1, 2. Next one I consider 2, 1. Just verify is both are similar. Just see this figure. Is it both are similar? No. Therefore we say that 1, 2 is not equal to 2, 1. Means we know that ordered pair of A, B is not equal to ordered pair of B, A. By using the geometrical concept, we can say that ordered pair 1, 2 is not equal to 2, 1. And next, if I take ordered pair A, B is equal to C, D. If both are equal, we say that A equal to C. First element is equal to first element of that ordered pair. Next, B equal to D. Then only we say that ordered pairs are equal. Ordered pairs are equal. Okay. Ordered pairs are equal if and only A equal to C, B equal to D. For example, if I take 1, 2 is equal to 1, 2, means 1 equal to 1. Here 2 equal to 2. Means nothing but A equal to C, B equal to D. Means first element of the first ordered pair, second ordered pair of the first element are equal. Again similarly, first ordered pair of second element, next second ordered pair of second element, both are equal. Then only we say that they are equal. Otherwise they are not equal. Okay. Please remember that ordered pair. The definition of ordered pair is two elements or objects or number can be represented or listed in a specific order. Okay. Listed in a specific order and enclosed A and B in parenthesis form an ordered pair of A comma B. This is the definition of ordered pair. Okay. And we know that in ordered pair we listed the number is in the form of 1 comma 2. Correct. Ordered pair definition ಏನಂತಾರಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ 1 comma 2. ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ 1 comma 2 ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 comma 1. ಅವು ಎರಡು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1 comma 2 ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 comma 1 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ A comma B ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು B comma A. ನೆನಪಿರ್ಬೋದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಒಳಗೆ A comma B ಅದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಎರಡು ಏನಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ A comma B ಇನ್ನೊಂದು C comma D ಇವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ವಿ ಡು ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್. Examples, 1 marks question. They will give you example 1 marks question. Find example. Find A and B. Find A and B. If A plus 3, B minus 7 equal to minus 2 comma 5. Find A and B. A plus 3, B minus 7 is equal to minus 2 comma 5. See, when we say that these two ordered pairs are equal, this first one equal means first ordered pair of the first element, second ordered pair of the first element are equal. Then only we say that it is ordered pair are equal. A plus 3 equal to minus 2. Next, first ordered pair of the second element, second ordered pair of the first element is equal. B minus 7 equal to 5. Means A equal to minus 3 minus 2, the value of A is minus 1. Next, B is equal to minus 7, 7 plus 5, what is the value of B? Okay, means in this case we get A equal to minus 5, B equal to 12. If you want, you can verify. Substitute here A is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 3, what will you get? Minus 2. Substitute 12. 12 minus 7, what will you get? Okay, in this way we can calculate. Such type of example is asked in exam for 1 marks question. In Kutara, find A and B if both are equal. Equal is the definition. First element is the first element equal. Second element is the second element equal. Equal ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಿಂದ minus 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, B equal to 12. ಇವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದಾವೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇವನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ A minus 5 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ minus 5 plus 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? minus 2. Same answer ಬಂದಿದೆ. 12 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 12 minus 7 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 5. In this way you can calculate such type of example. Next example, find x and y. Find x and y. If two ordered pairs are equal. Help me. Ordered pairs 2x minus 4 comma 5 is equal to 8 comma y minus 4. 8 comma y minus 4. Since 2x minus 4 equal to 8. Next 5 equal to y minus 4. Means 2x is equal to 8 plus 4. 2x is 12. X is 12 by 2. X is 6. Okay. Next 5 minus 4 will take left hand side plus 4. What is the value of y? 9. Okay. In this way we can calculate the value of x and y if the ordered pairs are 1. Okay. Next, another one example I will take. If x, find x and y. If x by 3 plus 1. If x by 3 plus 1, comma 5 minus 2 by 3 equal to 5 by 3, comma 1 by 3, and x and 5 mentioned. See, x by 3 plus 1 equal to 5 by 3. Y minus 2 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. Correct. X by 3 is equal to what? 5 by 3 minus 1. X by 3 equal to, take the LCM. 3, 5 minus 3. Correct. Taking the LCM. Because of equal sign, 3 get cancelled. X is equal to 5 minus 3. Next. Y is equal to here. Minus 2 by 3. Take right hand side. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. LCM is same. 2 plus 1, 3. Y is, what we get is 1. Okay. In this way, we can calculate the value of x and y. Okay. This is how we can do the example. This is all about what? Ordered pair. Okay. Next, just concentrate here. I will take another one example. If a set A, 1, 2. Okay. Set B, 2, better I will take 3, 4, 5. Just concentrate. If set A is 1, 2, set B is 3, 4, 5. Now, I want the relationship between the set A and set B. Okay, for that, just concentrate here. I will take the first set of the elements. In the first set, the elements are 1 and 2. These are 2. Second set elements are 3, 4, 5. Second set elements are 3, 4, 5. Okay, just concentrate here. If 1 is related to 3, correct, or 1 to 3. Next, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Now ordered pair, I will take. Ordered pair is in the form of 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, ordered pair from the first set to second set. Next, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Okay, means from the set A to set B we get x. And set B to set A. B set is what? 3, 4, 5 elements. And these 3, 4, 5 are applying the first set A. In first set A, it contains 1, 2 elements, 1, 2 elements, 1, 2 elements. Means 3 is 3 to 1. Ordered pair exists. 3 to 2, 4 to 1, 4 to 2, 5 to 1. Ordered pair. And this ordered pair can be represented in the form of 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1, 5, okay. See, just concentrate. If A and B are non-empty sets, means if A is non, B is non-empty set, means A and B are finite sets, then the relationship between from set A to set B, okay, A and B are two non-empty sets, then the Cartesian product of two sets. What? Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets. If Cartesian product of two sets. Here we consider two sets A and B. If A and B are non-empty sets, then the Cartesian product of A and B is defined as set of all ordered pairs from A to B. Set of all ordered pairs from A to B, and it is denoted by A cross B. It is denoted by A cross B. Set of all ordered pairs from A to B. It is defined by A cross B. A cross B is, this is, we call it as A cross B. That is 1, 3, see, 1, 2, 3, 1 to 4, correct, ordered pair of 1 to 5, ordered pair of. Next, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 2 to 5. This is the ordered pair of A cross B. Okay. Next, if If I take B cross A, correct? B cross A. If I take B cross A, reverse count. 3 to 1, 3 to 2, 4 to 1, 4 to 2, 5 to 1, 5 to 2. This is what B cross. Okay, what is the definition? The definition of Cartesian product: let A and B are two non-empty set. Then set of all order from A to B is defined as A cross B. Set of all ordered pairs from B to A defined as B cross A. Okay, A cross B elements is this. B cross A elements are this. Is both are equal? See, 1 3 is equal to 3 comma 1. Therefore, remember that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Okay, understood? Nodri, set A 1 2 ತಗೋರಿ, set B 3 4 5 ತಗೋರಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಸಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಇಂದ ಬಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ. ಎ ಇಂದ ಬಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಇದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಸಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಸಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಎ ಇಂದ ಬಿಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಬೇಕು? 1 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 2 to 5. ಇದು ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ. ಅದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಬಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಬಿ ಇಂದ ಎಗೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್, ಬಿ ಇಂದ ಎಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬಿ ಇಂದ ಎಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಸಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಇದ್ರ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ತಗೋರಿ. 3 ಇಂದ 1, 3 ಇಂದ 2, 4 ಇಂದ 1, 4 ಇಂದ 2, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಇಂದ 1, 5 ಇಂದ 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 3 3 1 ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಹೇಳೇ ನಾನು 1 3 3 1 ಸೇಮ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 3 2 ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 3 ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ of what the Cartesian product of two sets. Please remember that. Okay, Cartesian product of two sets. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Okay. Then the Cartesian product of two sets, Cartesian product of two sets A and B is denoted by A cross B. That is Cartesian product of two sets A and B is denoted by A cross B, consisting of all ordered pairs of A and B, and it can be represented in the form of A cross B such that A comma B exists such that A belongs to the first set, B belongs to second set. A comma B exists, A belongs to first set, B belongs to second set. Okay, let A and B two non-empty sets. Okay, then the Cartesian product of two sets A and B is denoted by A cross B, correct, consisting of all ordered pairs A and B, and we can represent A cross B is A comma B. A belongs to the first set, B belongs to the second set. For example, if I consider set A is AB, okay, set B is 1 2 3, A cross B. Just consider A comma B. See, A means we are taking the first element is belongs to set A. B is belongs to second set. A means we are related. We are taking the Cartesian product A to 1 like this. A to 1. Next A to 2. A to 3. Correct. B to 1. B B to 2. Okay, next B to 3. Means in A cross B, first element is belongs to the set A, second element is belongs to set B. Next, suppose B cross A, if I take reverse form, means first set here B elements, second set is A elements. Means we are taking reverse form. 1 to A, correct? 1 to A, 1 to B, next 2 to A, okay, 2 to B, 3 to A, 3 to B. Okay, remember that. In this way we can calculate. Then we know that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Remember that. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ? ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಎರಡು ನಾನ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ. ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ದಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತಾವಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಕಾಮ ಬಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಎದಾಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಬಿದಾಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದೆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಇದು ಬಿ 1 2 3 ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? ಎ ಬಿ. ಇದರಿಂದನೇ ಶೋ ಆಗಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ. ಎ ಇಂದ 1, ಎ ಇಂದ 2, ಎ ಇಂದ 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಇಂದ 1, ಬಿ ಇಂದ 2, ಬಿ ಇಂದ 3. ಹೌದು, ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎ, ಬಿ ಇಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಮತ್ತು ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ನೋಡಿರಿ, 1 ಟು ಎ, 1 ಟು ಬಿ, 2 ಟು ಎ, 2 ಟು ಬಿ, 3 ಟು ಎ, 3 ಟು ಬಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ. ಎ ಮತ್ತು 1 ಎ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? therefore A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Remember this. Okay. I will give the note. First, if A is non-empty set, B is non-empty set, okay, then A cross B is also non-empty set. And A ದೊಳಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು, ಬಿ ದೊಳಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಒಳಗೂ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಇಫ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್, ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಎ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಬಿ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್, ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಂಪ್ಟಿನ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಅದೇ ಇಫ್ ಎ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್. ಎದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಬಿ ನಾನ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಐತಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್, ಇಫ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ m elements, if A has m elements and B has n elements, okay, A has n elements, B has n elements, then A cross B, ನೋಡ್ರಿ A ದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವು? m ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವ? 2 ಅದಾವ. B ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವು? 1 2 3 ಅದಾವ. A ಕ್ರಾಸ್ B ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಕೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಅಂದರೆ ಇಫ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ m ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, m ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 2, n ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 3 ಅಂತ. ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಯು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಇಂಟು 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ? 6 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದೇ therefore if A has f elements, B has n elements, then A cross B has how many number of elements? m elements. Remember that. Okay. Next, fifth, if A has m elements, okay, B has m elements, then A cross B. See, A has m elements, B has m elements, means both A and B have same elements, means instead of A cross B, what will get it is Same elements means A into A, M into M. We'll get what it is? M square. Remember that. If A has M elements, B has M, then A cross B. Nothing but if both are similar, we say that it is B equal to A. Okay, in this case, we will get A cross A has M square elements. Okay, next. Sixth. If A, B, C are 3 sets, then ordered pair of A, B, C exists if and only the set A belongs to A, B belongs to B, C belongs to B, and this is, we call it as ordered triplet. What we call it as ordered triplet. Nodri A, B, C 3 sets ittu A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ A, B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ B, C ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ C ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಥ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್. By knowing that one, if I consider A1 cross A2 cross A3 cross dash 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 AN elements, if I consider, and A1 contains an element A1, A2 contains an element A2, okay, dash 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 dash, how many number of elements? AN, such that A belongs to A1, okay, A1, A2 belongs to A2, continue this process, AN belongs to the last element AN, okay, this is, we call it as ordered pair of n triplets. N ordered pair of n tuples. Ordered pair of n tuples. This, how many number of Cartesian products that exist here? N times. Therefore, we define the Cartesian product of the given, but in your exam they have given only what? Cartesian product of 2 sets as well as maximum is 3 sets. Okay, thank you.